spot puttying any imperfections in the frame everywhere. This is the third round of spot putting. He wants the frame perfect before he puts some paint on it. Then we got to primer it again. It's already had 2 coats of primer. Spot putty it all, primer it again, at least 1 more coat. Then she's ready for paint. Just about got the venture all done. The exhaust manifold in the center there was all rotted out. The previous owner had welded it up everywhere. Pieces of pipe on it, plates on the bottom, and I finally found one on eBay. I got the new pinstriping on here I put on and painted it up pretty good myself. If I do say so. Sure looks a lot better than it was. And so this just came in today for the venture. And two header pipes come with the front here, and then the 2 back ones here. Or these come into the back cylinders, and then these 2 pipes here are the tail pipes. And they always rot out right in here. They rot out and break, and then the bottom always rots out from condensation. So this one's in really good shape. I'm going to sandblast it up tomorrow, paint it, bolt that bike back together. I'll at least have 1 bike to ride. And I fixed up the come with a glove box on this side here. I painted it with some wrinkle paint because it was all faded and fall apart. This one had the radio in it. I put a stainless steel piece of metal in there, took that out. I don't use that. And I needed more storage space, so I made a big storage space in there. So anyways, the next video there is of a great big snapping turtle that I saw on the side of the road down the road here. And the shell itself is over 10 inches, 10, 11 inches. And that usually designates that turtle's over 35 to 50 years old. You'll see it in this next video clip. It's like me working on this bike, slow as a turtle. Saw this walking along the side of the road. That's a big one. Hey guy. From that guy's nose to his tail, it's got to be 20 inches. He's old. He's an old sucker. That guy down there. Gotta go, too many cars.